Gentlemen, what might you be doing to Miss Fiona Fiat?
Well, we're hoping we're unbolting the front seat. We're unbolting something.
It's either that or the subframe's gonna fall out. It's fine. It's fine.
It's on a level surface, so.
Wick and I had to pull the subframe off and get it, the front half of it refabricated by the welding dude.
Oh my.
It was a hot mess. There's video. Go, continue on the channel and look at Fiona the Fiat.
Yeah,
And you will find
have
it.
to figure out how to get this seat out in the back.
We can pull the seat out. Grant's doing magic up here. Glenn is holding the light because he performs surgery all the time, so he deserves a break at this point.
You're first. Okay, let's go.
So now we go up front.
You come bearing gifts? Oh,
Oh,
That's-
thank you.
that's
Can-
not a beer.
Can you get a bag for Holtz?
And a beverage.
Sure.
Beverage?
A bag
Who needs
for
beverage?
Holtz.
Now, what is this again?
It's a Fiat.
Fiat Millecento. Fiat the Millecento! A spaghetti and a meatball in the Super Mario Brothers.
Okay.
Whoa. Wait a minute.
Sorry.
Oh, well, we're
What are we doing here?
quick.
Okay, you need a bag. Hold
How do you
on.
turn this on?
Cut.
So we're in Fiona. The bottom goes forward, so you can actually set this down so you have even more room. Look at that.
Wick and I never did this in all the years we've worked
it's
on
like the Jagger.
it. Welcome to having a Ford Escort.
Here, help them.
But you know what?
Or not.
I miss my. Oh, sorry. You like this car? You think it's adorable? I think it's cute. It's a cute little car. It's a fun car.
Okay.
Phillips
and
that are
a fat Phillips.
Big Phillips, like a number 2 or number 3.
Mm-hmm.
And then what do we need to pull this out?
What are...
Looks like bolts. Look at the bolts. Look at the bolts right there.
Okay, those look like 8s, maybe?
Those look like 10s.
10? Okay.
Grant, Big Phillips, number 2 or number 3, and a 10 millimeter socket. Here comes the carpet. The yucky carpet.
You know what I was just thinking?
What?
I think we got carpet, but do we have foam?
No, we don't. It's just carpet. We need to go to the carpet store and buy that.
So maybe we will be on. I don't.
What? Fucking Andre.
What?
Oh, Andre.
Oh, Andre. Now, see, I just found out lesbians actually cook. I thought they only ate out.
Send all complaints to Scotty, care of
1-800, I don't give a fuck.
So I got kicked off of the
It's NFT.
Motor Week chat
Oh, fuck's given.
No fucks given.
because they were doing
What group chat?
the,
Oh, God,
the
you're
Motor
videoing.
Week
That's
when
not
they do
fun.
their.
What's
I'm
this?
videoing. We're doing this. We got sidetracked.
That's
mesh.
There you go. But you can't take a dip.
Go, 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 Allie. Go, Allie.
It's
Go,
almost
Allie. Allie. Allie, victory pose. Whoop, 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 whoop. It's like a party.
So anyway, I got kicked off of the.
So we hear in the background.
The Motor Week does their retro rewind marathons during holidays.
Everett rewind.
Yeah.
There you go.
And
It is funny.
they were doing a Subaru 89 Delegates.
I had an 87.
Fancy.
Fun. It even had a sun.
Delegance.
not
You
get it
have to
on.
wear pants for that.
Oh, I did sunroof.
But they were testing a Subaru, so people were making lesbian jokes.
Oh, Jesus.
And of course, I'm the one who says, "Well, what do you call a lesbian dinosaur?"
What?
Lick a lot of puss.
A lick-a-lot-of-puss. And I'm the one who got kicked off, and I'm just like, okay, I told the
Garbage
dad.
bag.
Well, I was making,
making a
little
pile.
Remember that picture?
Here's the bolts that Wick and I put in
Barbecue.
Yeah,
like
we
2
saw
years
that.
ago. We bought very nice hardware.
Yes.
We don't fuck around when it comes to hardware purchases.
No.
Wick and I,
Now,
no.
where's a scraper?
I think it was at Fort Myers.
Good question.
A
Scraper?
scraper.
Scrapey scrape?
Putty knife, linoleum.
There should be somewhere. I'm betting in the parts room or in the cabinets.